Hey YouTube, recently my 2008 BMW E92 had problems where it was starting slowly. That lasted for about a week, then it wouldn't start at all. I tried to jump start the car and it wouldn't. It wouldn't even try to start. So then I thought there was some kind of issue with the starter because all the lights were on. So what I did was check the voltage in the front. And if you're between 11 and 3/4 and 12 and a half volts, then you'll be fine. The next step is to check the positive terminal and ground somewhere on the engine. I use the oil filter housing because it's convenient. My car measured 5 volts. Clearly, we have a problem, so the car is not going to start, and it's not going to jump start. If you decide to test this, make sure you use a large jumper cable. This is not a situation for any kind of wire around the house, not your old speaker wire. This is going to be at least 300 amps of current. You can see the ground strap inside the fender well once the wheel is off. The top portion isn't too difficult to remove, but it's nearly impossible to reinstall. From this point, you will need to use something thick and pliable to hold up the bolt to keep it from falling. That'll then feel like a stud on top of that lug. You can deftly find the hole and then place the strap over top of that. The problem is going to be placing the nut on the bolt because any pressure at all and the bolt wants to fall down. If you have an assistant, have them pull down on that cable to keep the bolt in shear. That way you can put some pressure from the nut onto the bolt. If you don't have an assistant, use something really heavy to pull down on that, like a really large C-clamp or something of that nature, because you'll have to prevent the bolt from falling down in order to attach the nut.